riding me? He stole my jacket. Dun dun dun. Think you're officially a horse now? Huh? How do you like that saddle? You know you're wearing my saddle. Are you a horse now? I think that was a yes. A horsey yaw.
Nah, I'm gonna rip it off.
Well, you're a wild thing.
Okay.
You're a wild horsey.
Give it back. Stop touching me.
Okay. Don't want to ride us again? Whatever. Oh, there we go. It's not the correct way. It's also not the correct way.
All right.
Do the birdie. Do the birdie. Get on.
Wait.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, rip. Oh, rip. Okay. Okay then.
Do it.
You talk first. No, you talk first. No, you talk first. No, you talk first. Okay, let's both talk together. That was really fun. Sort of tired out. Me too. It was fun. Yeah, I guess it was fun. See the birds saddled up and everything. And go over to a friend's house. And yeah, that was fun. Maybe we could go there another time if you'd like. I'm not quite sure about that. Yeah, one trip's enough. Yeah. Plus, it'll give the opportunities for other horses to go. Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Anyways, that was fun.